Yo, dude, hope you're doing well. Just your feedback for this week just gone. Apologise, it's a little later. I had a nap. I've been doing check-ins all day. I then cooked some food, and I felt like I've been hit by a train. And then now we're here. So I had a nap. I feel a lot better actually, which is kind of probably the worst thing to do, because tonight I'll find it hard to sleep, and then that'll affect tomorrow. So kind of made things worse. Or maybe tonight I'll actually just pass out again. So that's prep for you. But just looking over, I know you didn't send me a check-in video, but we've kind of talked about your week just gone via WhatsApp. So let me just get my notes back up. Last week's average was at 183.4. This week's average was 182.75. So you've dropped about 0.4 pounds, which, dude, I wouldn't feel too, disheartened about. Progression is always progression. If you're not like on contest prep or you're not, it's not that big of a deal. Yes, we are in a mini cut, so we did want a bit more than that to come off, but progression is progression, so I wouldn't feel a bit disheartened. You had that meal out on Wednesday, or Thursday, I can't remember. Potentially it was Thursday. And you weren't up too much, and then you came straight back down, which is not bad. Just looking at your numbers. Yeah, you've literally come straight back down. You actually hit a new low weigh-in, I believe. 180.6. I mean, dude, that's crazy. You went out and then it's come down by that much. That's mad. But yeah, even like looking at your progression tracker. So sister comes up says, look at this. This is what I found crazy. That's week one. This is now. Dude, you look completely different. I even say you look fuller. You look bigger. You look fuller. You're posing better as well. Your stomach's shrunk in. Your lats are more popped out. Your legs seem to be coming on, even though I can't really see them all. So potentially that's something that you need to do for me. It's a full body shot. Your face is getting slimmer. Just look at everything. Your arms, you look definitely leaner. You've got some killer triceps. Like that shot there, that is crazy. Christ, when that gets lean, dude, that's going to be nasty. Back shots, try and bring your elbows forward a little bit more. So even like instantly there, you see you're like this, you're pinching back, push these elbows forward. So almost like this. See how my lats pop a bit more. So you're like this, crunching back. Just pinch those elbows forward, and that'll make your lats pop. So yeah, crazy work. You've honestly done fucking amazing from this period of time. So you should really give yourself a pat on the back. I just can't believe these two. Look at these, dude. You look great. You look awesome. So let's go back to your coaching tracker. Cool. So I've also looked at your training tracker. So you've progressed quite a lot of your movements this week, which is fucking great. 100 kg on deadlift. I remember last week saying, "Fucking get that 100 kg. Like just put that on the bar and just lift it," and you've done it. I remember you were saying, oh, you went for 95, you were going to go for 100, but, you weren't sure. And this week, you've done it. You put, manned up, put 100 kg in the bar, and just fucking lifted it off the floor. And then you also progressed your down set in terms of 60 kg as well. So, pat on the back, you're getting leaner, you're getting stronger. I'm sure you feel the same as last week. You just feel better, which is the aim here. All of these movements, you've progressed. So, I had a quick look. Leg press, lunges, pull-ups, you progress as well. These are a bit of a naughty one because obviously as you lose weight, you're gonna progress. You're lifting. This one's weird because you're getting lighter, you're doing more reps, but are you actually progressing? Because you're kind of coming down in weight, aren't you? Weird, isn't it? But still progression. Prone rows, chest flies, all of those sort of things. I missed this bit, but basically, try next week or try get me some progress pictures of full body shots. So put your phone down near a window, just come back a bit. I will send you a posing video explaining how to pose properly as well, just I feel like that will massively help. I'll go through all the mandatories, all the first shots, and then I'll go through your other shots as well for you and sort of explain how I hit them so you can get an idea of how to hit them properly. But yeah, so all in all, a really good week. Your average hasn't come down massively, but I believe that's just down to your meal. You've had some new low ends, but I do want to just push it a little bit more. No changes in terms of your cardio. You're still going to just hit steps, just hit your daily steps, hit your daily expenditure, what you normally would, but your carbohydrates are coming down by 40. So they're coming down to 300 grams of carbs, 65 fats, 200 protein. And the reason behind that is I just want to get more fat off you. You look fucking, you're holding on to fullness. You're not losing any muscle at all. You're losing weight quite rapidly, but we want that in a mini cut. And you're feeling fucking amazing. So we can dig more. We can definitely pull some, bring some calories down. You're also not very hungry at the minute, which is a fucking great spot to be in. So we are going to bring your calories down. We just want to get more fat off, and we want to just make you look epic. That's all. So if you can send me progress pictures at the end of this week, I think probably weekly photos from now on, just so I can see your body, see where you're at, and just monitor it from there. Weekly, please, just in this same lighting. That's pretty good lighting. Maybe on a tripod, see if I can see the whole body. But yeah, they're the changes for next week. Any questions, then do let me know. But you're doing a fucking great job, so keep it up. Next week, it's obviously show day for me on a Sunday, so if you can either check in on Monday, because I'm off Monday, or you can give me a FaceTime or a call on Sunday. Or actually, if you can check in on Sunday, I'll just get back to you Monday morning. That's absolutely fine. Hopefully that's okay with you. Or if I'm back Sunday evening at some point, then I'll get back to you in Midtown. So yeah, all in all, keep digging. Changes for nutrition there, and hope you're having a good evening. And we'll chat soon. Cheers, Will.